Have you noticed that the touchpad on your DualSense wireless controller has stopped responding, making certain game functions difficult to use? This issue can appear after a software update, connection problem, or temporary controller glitch. Fortunately, in many cases, the touchpad itself is perfectly fine and only needs a few troubleshooting steps to start working again. In many situations, a DualSense controller touchpad not working problem can be resolved without replacing the controller. Before assuming there's physical damage or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore touchpad functionality. 1. Turn off the DualSense controller and disconnect it from the console or PC. 2. Clean the touchpad surface gently to remove dust, fingerprints, or debris. 3. Restart your PlayStation or computer and reconnect the controller. 4. Use the reset button on the back of the controller to perform a quick reset. 5. Launch a game that supports touchpad input and verify that the touch functions respond correctly.